Hi everyone, this is John with the Patient Technology Program at Mott Children's Hospital and Build Up Mobile. Today I'm going to show you how to build a super cool frog, fly, and a plant. These are all the pieces you'll need to build the frog, the fly, and the plant. You may notice it looks a lot like the parts we used for the parrot because they're actually the same exact parts. So if you've received a kit bag full of the parts for the parrot, you can also build this super cool set. To start, we're going to use our 2x6 green plate, and we are going to find our inverted slope. We're going to put that right on the bottom of our plate here. Next, we're going to get our 2x2 brick, and that's going to go right behind our inverted slope. Now we're going to get another inverted slope and put it on the other side, just like this. And now we're going to find a jumper plate. That's one of these little tiles with a circle in the middle. That's going to go right here on the front of our frog. Next, we're going to get our 2x2 round. That's going to go right behind our little plate here. Next, we're going to get our weird green thing from last time. And that's going to go right behind our round plate. Now we're going to get another 2x2 plate. That's going to go right on top of our first one, just like this. And now we're going to get one of our super cool curvy pieces, and that's going to go right here on the top of our jumper plate, making the frog's tongue. Now we're going to get our shiny gold piece, and that's going to go right here on top of our 2x2 round. So not on this one or this one, but right here in the middle. Just like that. So now I'm going to set this down for a second, and we're going to build the frog's face. So we are going to get our other weird green piece, and we are going to take our little bracket, and that's going to go on one side like this. We're going to put the other one on the other side, so they're pointing off of both sides. Next, we're going to get another jumper, put it right here on those two studs, and we're going to do the same right here on this side. Next, we're going to get our little eye pieces, and it's going to go right here on the side, and the same on the other. And this is going to be our frog's head. So now we're going to grab our original frog piece, and this is going to go right here on top of these two studs. Look at that. So now we are going to get our other 2x6 green piece, and we're going to put it on the bottom of our frog right here, right in the middle. So there's two studs hanging off on both sides, and there's a whole row back here not being touched. So that's going to be our frog's back legs. Next, we are going to get our purple 1x4, and it's going to go right here on our orange piece, right behind our green, just like this. So there's one little space gap between these two. Next, we're going to give our frog some feet, so we're going to get our remaining 2x2 round. We're going to put one right here. There we go. So there's 2 bumps showing here. We're gonna get another one right here. So we're only connecting 1 stud this time. Now we're gonna do the same on this side. So we're gonna get another 2x2 round underneath our plate, leaving 2 studs on the top. Gonna get another one, and we're only gonna put it on 1 stud again, just like this. All right. So now we've finished our frog. Isn't it cute? So we're gonna put this off to the side. He can hang out over here. And now we are going to build our plant. To start our plant, we are going to get 2 of our 2x4 bricks, and they're gonna go right next to each other like this. We're going to take another 2x4 brick and put it right on top to lock those together, just like this. Now we're going to get another 2x4 brick, and it's gonna go right on top of this one. So now we're going to get our white inverted slope. It's going to go right here on the edge. So there's 3 bumps here, and it's sitting right here on the 4th. Now we're going to get our 1x2 with the bumps on the side. And that's going to go right here, connecting these 2 bricks right next to our little inverted slope here. Now we're going to get this guy right here, and it's going to sit way up here on this last bump on the top. So now there's 3 bumps up here, and this white piece is sitting on that last bump. Now we're going to get another 2x2 with the studs on the side, and it's going to sit right up here on this edge. So now we're going to turn this around, and we're going to get another 2x2 with the bumps, and it's going to go way over here. And we're going to get another white inverted slope, and it's going to sit right next to it, just like this. Now we're going to get our last big inverted slope, and it's going to sit right here behind our green piece, just like this. And now we're going to get our little cheese wedge. That's what these guys are called. We're going to put it right up here, just like this. So right in the middle of these pieces. Now we're going to get another one of these guys. We're going to put it right here in front of our cheese wedge, pointing out this way, just like this. So now we're gonna get our super big pink curves, and the first one is gonna go right here on our 2 studs facing out. It's gonna go right there. Next, we're gonna flip it around and get another big pink curve. Now it's going on these 2 bumps, just like this. Now we're going to get our final big pink curve, and it's going on these 2 bumps right here. There we go. And that is our super cool swamp plant that's gonna be right next to our frog. Now we're going to build the little fly. So we are going to start with this cool purple piece. This will be the fly's wings. We are going to put our little jumper plate here on these back two bumps. Just like this. Next, we're going to get our last little cheese wedge, and it's going to sit right on top of this stud and be our fly's little tail. There we go. Next, we're going to get our last green piece, our last 1x2 with the two studs on the side. It's going to sit right on top of these purple studs, just like this. Next, we're going to get our last two eye pieces. We're going to put them right here on the two studs facing outwards. I'm going to have my fly be a little silly. And next, we're going to give him some antenna. And there we go. So now we have our frog, our fly, and our swamp plant.